Okay, I think we're recording. All right. Hey, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Luther, owner of KBTZ Photo Booth. Um, One second, I'll pull up our Instagram. We are a San Diego-based photo booth company. I've been operating for about a year now. Had other prior businesses, but I've really been enjoying this business because how fun it is. Main part of this channel is to share some business tips in a very I don't know, just casual way. I'm gonna sit here and talk to you. You'll see the infinity screen a few times. But yeah, here's our photo booth company. Not a lot of big followings, but we're pretty profitable, and we want to teach future photo booth owners how to do this and everything. So yeah, this is us. We do 360 booths. That's me doing some social media, talking about our selfie booth special, our drop off unit. That's kind of like our big thing here. And what else? Yeah, and before we get into this, this is the From Zero to Photo Booth Owner community that we have. Basically, our mentorship program where we talk about basically how to do this thing, how to become profitable, how to, set up some HoneyBook, get some leads. See 79 archived there. That's how many we've completed in the HoneyBook system. We have 20 pending, some more promises to commit to. But how to just basically become a profitable photo booth business. And that comes with booth setups, design training contracts, CRM, HoneyBook stuff. The $4.99 pays for itself just for if you're trying to get contracts. I'm just letting you know. And what you'll do, that is at this time a one-time payment because it's a special. I want to grow the community and I want to actually connect with you guys. And I'm telling you, this job is really fun. It's really fun, honestly. It's business in a sense. But yeah, so it's not really a course, it's more of a mentorship. We'll do live calls, like I'm recording this YouTube video using this software now, where you can just jump in here and we'll kind of do like when I'm recording content and teaching someone about it, you can watch and react and whatever. We'll always connect in the community forum here. But what I'm here to actually talk about today is we have a booking, and it's the reason why we have, let me go here, KPTZ photo booth. Boom. Scroll down. This is our website. We have 119 Google reviews. 119 five-star Google reviews. We are rated as, if you put us in like a review thing, we are the exceptional category. And how we get this is doing all these events, right? And I'm going to teach you about this too, the importance of having a blog on your website, your offers clearly set, an operating website, something that can book now and take you to your CRM where you can, have a video ready for them to show them what they're going to do and get all the important, simple details. All this stuff I'm going to teach you how to do. If you're just starting or if you're in the game and you're like, man, I have not been making the money I've been thinking I've been making. I'm not saying we can promise you anything, but we're profitable and we're enjoying this. And this is our full-time thing. And now we just want to teach other people how to do it. But so the big thing is, how do you get this? How do you get 119 five-star Google reviews? One, you run your business with ethics. You don't lie. You always show up on time. You just be the service provider that you want to hire. But also, thing is over delivering. We always over deliver. And what we're going to talk about today is I have a high school reunion ready for event. High school reunion here, ready for an event, and they only booked the KPTZ photo booth experience, which is unlimited print sessions and everything. And I'll talk about why we don't have that experience on our website. We're shifting more towards drop off in 360, but more towards drop off. But so we have that, and what we usually do is if we have a booth, like a selfie booth, like this guy right here. This guy right here that pops out all these fun digital moments. You can do boomerangs and everything. This guy right here that created this moment, all of these fun moments was from a selfie booth. Where at? Boom, boom, boom. I need to update my Instagram. We still call it the vibe booth. This little guy right here. There's the Liz. Boom. That little guy right there. Creating all that fun, right? All of this fun. So sometimes it's not rented out, which hey, it's fine. That's my chat GPT. Hey, it's fine. Sometimes it's just in the corner. We have a policy at I'm trying to get back to the thing. We have a policy at KBTZ here. It's just we want the booth moving. So we just upgrade it for free. We'll throw it in there for free. We'll offer it for free. We will try to find a bar, a venue, a friend that's throwing a birthday party and just set it up for free. And why is that? Why is that? Why would you do that? Because if it's not working, it's not working. I'm gonna say it one more time. If it's not working, it's not working. So you need that thing deployed out there, gathering phone numbers, so you can put it in your Mailchimp account and you can start doing some SMS marketing. Like the reason why it's not working or you're not getting that desired outcome to income ratio is because you're not putting in the work. Like, as clear as that, and it's not just like you wake up, you do the work. No, I'm talking about a system here where a lot of people will sit there and let that unit just collect dust, and they're like, "I'm not getting out there. I'm not gonna make the drive. I'm not gonna make the template for free because X, Y, and Z. Like, it's too much of my time." But it's not working, so it's not going to work. This equipment has to be out there. It has to be at parties and everything. And what makes it so wonderful, why I tell everyone to start with a digital photo booth, get you a selfie booth, get you a what is that, a salsa 2 from Photo Booth Supply Co. No affiliate yet. I only support them because that's the booths that we have, and we have an entire ecosystem. We have 5 of those damn things. Come on. And what we do is we have a thing of like every weekend, not every day. We're not at that point yet. We don't have like the community outreach, but I would love to have like an every day a booth is activated. Honestly, with or without payment because it's doing its job. And you have to be strategic and start placing it different places because you don't want the same community members using it all the time because you get the same numbers. So there's always a party out there that needs something. There's always a friend that's having a birthday party. There's some coworker that's having a social event. You need to use your network to grow your network. But also, if that damn thing's not working, then there's no reason to working. So we have a anyway. So today we have a 5 hour, 4 hour high school reunion. Show you the template here that we made for them. Boom, boom, boom. All these crazy templates. Yeah, get used to this. Well, you don't have to. Some photo booth people they just go to a website that points at templates. We kind of like I don't know. I kind of like being custom, but that's just us. So yeah, we got this this reunion today and they booked us for 4 hours. I think we did a little deal maybe, but yeah, I think we're getting like a little over $850. I don't want to pull it up and because it has their information and stuff like that. But yeah, I think we're getting like $850 for this activation. Not no, yeah, no, it is $850 for 4 hours. So, but we have a selfie booth that's just sitting here, guys. That's oh man, I didn't share my damn screen. I did it again. Sorry. Boom, boom, boom. Entire screen. My bad. This is what I was talking about. My bad. So we have this event here, 4 hours, $850, unlimited print sessions. We really travel light, pretty light in minimum. Let me stop that. So so we're gonna be there anyway. That's what I'm getting at. And we're going to be taking pictures, capturing data and everything. But you cannot assume that everyone is going to come use the photo booth. But I can tell you this, everyone uses that damn selfie booth or your photo booth drop off or your whatever. Cause it's there's this barrier, there's a door, they're like, oh, I gotta go over there and talk to this person, get my picture taken. Or there's just a screen that I touch, strike a pose, boom, put in my number. There you go. So you think about it like that. We're gonna bring that to the party free of charge. That's usually $500, but it's not being used. So if it's not working, it's not working. So I'm gonna put it to work. to because I'm already going to be there. I'm already driving there, and it's just going to be in another corner. It's going to wow the client, which we always want to, because we're giving them a free service. I mean, a $500 service for free. And also, it's going to be benefit our business because it's going to grow our marketing, our brand. It's going to show the people there that we don't just offer prints. We also offer this awesome drop-off booth that you need to book. It's more affordable, it's more accessible, and there's no hourly rate. So think about that. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. I'll update you on the outcome of that. But yeah, you just guys gotta get creative here. And if you want some mentorship like this, some more one-on-one, basically what we're doing here, but we'll talk basically on a one-on-one basis or a private group, semi-private group basis where I go here, I'll make a coffee hour or Q&A. Every photo booth owner jumps in. We'll record a meeting if you miss it, and we'll just build out your business to be profitable. I promise. It's honestly not that hard when you have those sequences that I just talked about, which is just clearly just being a great servant to your client. And if you have a chance to over deliver, why wouldn't you? All right, guys. Have a nice day. Peace.